What if I told you that every curve, every roar, every stitch in a German luxury car is not just design, it is destiny? These machines are not built for everyone. They are built for those who demand more from life, from themselves. The question is, are you one of them? Or will you just watch others drive past? Stay with me, because today, we are going behind the scenes of how German engineering transforms cold steel into rolling works of art. And trust me, by the end, you will never look at a car the same way again. But before we get to the finished beauty, let us start where luxury is born. The vision, factory lights flicker on, blueprints on tables, close-ups of sketches. Every German luxury car begins with a vision, a dream sketched by designers who dared to imagine perfection. These aren't just cars. They're statements. Symbols of status, power, and precision. But really, have you ever noticed how one glance at a German car makes you feel just a little bit different? That's not an accident. That's psychology, sculpted into metal. And yet, sketches alone aren't enough, because dreams demand precision. Confrontation, engineering perfection, robotic arms welding, engines being assembled in silence, white-gloved technicians checking details. This is where the dream collides with reality. In German factories, precision is religion. Every bolt tightened, every weld measured to microns. It's the pursuit of flawlessness, because anything less would be unacceptable. You know that friend who measures their coffee to the exact gram, multiply that obsession by 1,000, and you've got German engineers. This is why German cars are not just driven, they are experienced. But the soul of a luxury car isn't only in the mechanics. It's in the details you touch, smell, and feel. So what happens when craftsmanship meets human hands? Confrontation, craftsmanship and amp, luxury, slow shots, artisans hand-stitching leather, polishing wood trim, testing sound systems. Inside these factories, human hands finish what machines cannot. Leather is cut, stitched, and inspected because imperfection is the enemy. Wood panels are polished until they glow. Even the click of a button is tuned like a musical note. Yes, even the sound of your door closing is designed to make you feel powerful. Ever slammed one? It's like a symphony that whispers, "You've arrived." This is where luxury becomes personal, but a car isn't truly alive until it's tested on the road. And here's where German cars separate themselves from the rest: resolution, the test and amp, the drive test tracks, high-speed shots, curves on mountain roads. Every German luxury car is pushed to its limits before it ever reaches you. Engines scream at top speeds on test tracks. Brakes are punished until they prove unbreakable. Handling is fine-tuned on mountain curves that most drivers will never see. Do you need a car that corners like a race machine at 150 miles per hour? No. But doesn't it feel good knowing yours can? This is what sets German cars apart. They don't just meet expectations, they exceed them. They're designed to thrill, protect, and impress all at once. And now, the final reveal: the moment vision, precision, and passion unite. Resolution, the symbol of luxury. Slow cinematic reveal of the finished car, headlights turning on, doors opening, car gliding through a city at night. What you see isn't just a car. It's a declaration. Of success. Of taste. Of belonging to a world where details matter and excellence is the only standard. German cars aren't built to get you from point A to point B, they're built to elevate every moment in between. So the next time you see one glide past, ask yourself, are you watching luxury, or are you living it? Because the road to greatness is always waiting, and the driver's seat, that's yours to claim.